Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so I decided I'm going to make this video to show you in real time what a real filmmaker in real time does and how fast I can set up my gimbal setup. So I'm using the Zhiyun Weebill 2 Pro, and I'm using a bunch of Sunway photo accessories, Maven filters, Comic-Con audio. So I'm going to show you in real time together, including the accessories and audio adapters, how long does it really take me to set this gimbal up. So, ladies and gentlemen, please do subscribe, like, and share. I'm only showing you this because I want people to realize this is the real world, not expectations. And 3, 2, 1. So with that said, everyone, this is the real time of me setting up my gimbal and my setup completely. So that should give you roughly a 4-minute window. But with that said, everyone, thank you for watching. This is just me demonstrating in real time in the real world how fast does a filmmaker really set up if he's skilled at setting up his own setup or his own belongings, if that makes sense. Because a lot of times people forget where things go, and sometimes I do forget where to put what I need to add on. But with that said, everyone, this is just my experience in the real world. So hopefully this will make sense to you too. So this is not expectations. This is just the real world. Thank you for watching. Talk to you guys in the next one.